Can you dance with it? Can you play it? Pick it up and play it?
Show Daddy.
Stupid window.
Huh?
Come over here and do it.
Then we'll sing another song.
Sure, that would be great.
Want to sing this one?
Okay.
Face Daddy so he can see it.
That's pretty good. Can you do another one?
Want to sing another song?
That would be great.
We're gonna sing this one.
Okay. Show me though.
This?
Yeah.
This?
It doesn't matter. Play a song for me. That was pretty good.
Want to sing another song?
You can.
Where? I have poopy in my diaper.
Oh, you do?